Hey ocean explorers, welcome to TOON Treasure Box. Today we are meeting one of the smartest and most powerful creatures in the ocean, the orca, also known as the killer whale. But don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. What is an orca? Orcas may look like whales, but guess what? They actually belong to the dolphin family. That's right, they are the biggest dolphins in the ocean. Crazy, right? Where do they live? Orcas are found all over the world, from icy waters near Antarctica to warm oceans near the equators. These amazing animals can live almost anywhere. What do they eat? Orcas love to eat fish and even seals. They are super smart hunters and work together in groups called pods, like a big orca family. How do they talk? Did you know orcas have their own secret language? They talk to each other using whistles, clicks, and songs. It's like their own underwater telephone. Fun fact, orcas can jump super high out of the water. It's called a breach. Imagine seeing a giant orca leaping into the sky. Wow, orcas are amazing. If you love learning about them, like, share, and subscribe to Toon Treasure Box for more awesome ocean adventures. See you next time, little explorers.